This is how you mount and install an ABAX Triplog. In the box you will find the ABAX unit, a cleansing wipe and cable ties. For installation you will need a socket wrench and cutters. To secure the best possible GPS signal, the ABAX unit is mounted in the lower corner of the windshield. Ensure the unit does not interfere with the windscreen wipers. Use the cleansing wipe to clean the windshield. Dry off with a paper towel. Remove the tape backing and stick firmly to the windshield. Now feed the cable underneath the vehicle bonnet, ensuring it does not get pinched. Locate the battery and remove any potential protection from the battery pole terminals. The red wire is connected to the positive vehicle battery terminal. Use the socket wrench to loosen the nut, just enough to place the cable lug under the nut. Then tighten. Repeat for the black wire and the negative vehicle battery terminal. It's important to make sure the nuts are properly tightened. Replace the protection on the battery poles and cover the battery. If the unit is receiving power, the LED light will flash red for 1 minute and then flash blue for up to 9 minutes. When startup is complete, the LED will stop flashing. Use the small cable ties to fasten the wire, making sure it does not interfere with any hot surfaces or moving parts. Use the longest cable ties to fasten any excessive wiring. If the battery is not placed under the bonnet, the ABAX unit may be connected to a positive power source and earth point. Please contact ABAX or an installer for help and guidance. Have a good trip and drive safe.